Hi, this is Lalita from Super German Academy. You're watching Class 7 Hallo Deutsch. Modul 3, Lektion wir. The name of the lection is Wie viele Uhr stehst du auf? Wie viele Uhr stehst du auf means at what time do you get up? Here Uhr means time. Wie viele Uhr means at what time. Stehst du auf means do you get up. So the main concept of this lection is about time. You will learn different timing formats in this lection and different sentences, how to use this time in the sentences, and many more things you will learn in this lection. Video, the contents you will learn are about time. How you call the time in German. There are so many timings, how you will call them in German. Then Tina's daily routine. Then example sentences on this time. Then question and answers, many question and answer sentences we will discuss in this video. Then weekdays, then example sentences on this weekdays and the schedule. The first topic is time. Now, how do you call in German means in this video, in this lection, you will learn about the 24-hour format. That is, suppose like from 12 p.m. afternoon, it is 1 p.m. right? That you know that it will be called as 13 p.m. Then for 2 it is 14 p.m. Then it is 3 o'clock as 15 p.m. In this way 24-hour format will come. So you will learn in that format. Now for example like 7 o'clock in English, 7 o'clock, how you will say as 7 Uhr. Uhr means 7 o'clock. This hour time you will mention as Uhr. So 7 o'clock you will mention in this format, or you can write as a spelling as 7 Uhr. Either of the formats you can use. Okay, so that's why I mentioned here both. Now if it is like 8 o'clock, then you will mention it as 8 Uhr, or you can write in the number format as 8.00 Uhr. Here in Uhr you use the capital letter. Next, if it is 9:30, then you know for the number 9 it is noon, and for 30 it is 30. So you will say as 9 Uhr noon or 30. For 11:15 you will say as 11 Uhr 15, because for 15 it is 15 and for 11 it is 11. So 11:15 is called as 11 Uhr 15. Now for 12:45 it is as 12 Uhr 15. Here you will mention the Uhr after this time, our time. Okay, 12 Uhr 15. Now for the time you will use the preposition here at. For at it is See, we will say in English as at 7 o'clock, at 5 p.m. So that at in German the preposition is So for example here I have given this is wir sehen Uhr 15. That is at 2:50 p.m. This 14:50, how do you say in English? It is 2:50 p.m. no? So when say you can write in this way, or you can also write in the spelling format as wir sehen Uhr 15. So I hope you understood about this timing format. Now let's see the other formats of the timings, like 12:30, 3:45. In this way, when you want to say, then how do we express in German? I have given few examples here. For 7:30, how do you say it means 7:30 means 30 minutes after 7, no? That is 7:30. So you will say as, that means that it also means it is 30 minutes to become 8. So 7:30 can be also say as 30 minutes to become 8 as halb 8. 8 means 8 here. So S is halb 8 means it is 7:30. Now 3:45, it means that it is about 15 minutes to become 4. So here S is Viertel or Vier means it is 15 minutes to 4 to become 4. Here Viertel or means quarter to. Vier means 4. So 3:45 can be said as Viertel or Vier. Okay, 4:45 can be said as it is 15 minutes to become 5. That is Viertel or 5. So S is Viertel or 5 means it is 4:45. Now 11:50 minutes, 10 minutes to become 12. So that you can say as 10 vor 12. 10 minutes, no? So 10 minutes, how we will say in German? 10. So 10 vor means 10 minutes to 12. Now 9:05, This is again, it is 5 minutes after 9 o'clock. So that after you will say as nah. That is, S is Punt nach noon. That is, Punt nach noon means 5 minutes after 9. Again, 2:35 can be said as Punt nach halb drei. That is 5 minutes after 30 minutes. Okay, to become 3, drei. So 2:35 can be said as Punt nach halb drei. Tina's Tagesablauf means Tina's daily routine. Tina stehst jeden Tag 6 Uhr auf. Every day Tina gets up at 6 a.m. Here jeden Tag means every day. Steht auf is the German verb for gets up. She gets up at 6 a.m. every day. Sie geht zunächst ins Bad. Then firstly she goes to the bathroom. Here zunächst means firstly, geht means goes. Bad means bathroom. So she goes firstly to the bathroom. Dann geht sie in die Küche und Frühstück. Then she goes to the kitchen and have her breakfast. Here Frühstück means breakfast. Sie trinkt ein Glas Milch. She drinks a glass of milk. Und isst Brot mit Butter und Marmalade. And she eats bread with butter and jam. Here Marmalade means jam. Isst is the verb for eat. So isst Brot means eats bread. With butter und Marmalade means with butter and jam. 7 Uhr fahrt Tina mit dem Bus zur Schule. It means that at 7 a.m. Tina goes to school by bus. Here fahren verb is for travel, move, go. So where she is going? To school. Fahrt is the conjugation for Tina. So fahrt Tina mit dem Bus zur Schule means she goes to school by bus. Der Unterricht fragt 8 Uhr 10 an means her classes starts at 8:10 a.m. Here fragt an means starts at. Unterricht means classes. Here 13 Uhr 20 ist die Schule aus. It means at 1:20 p.m. her school ends. Aus means ends. Und Tina fahrt nach Hause zurück. Then Tina returns back home. Here zurück means returns. Nach means after. She returns back home. Wir sehen 20 nach dem Mittagessen. Then at 2:30 p.m. she has her lunch. Here Mittagessen means lunch. Learn Tina für der Schule. Then Tina studies. Learnt means studies. Then ruft sie Brigitte an. Here ruft an means calls up. So whom does she call? Brigitte. So then ruft sie Brigitte an means she calls up Brigitte. Zweimal pro Woche 17 Uhr geht sie in den Terrace Club. Then zweimal pro Woche means 2 times per week. Here at 5 p.m. she goes to the tennis club. She spielt good tennis. She plays tennis very good. Here spielen is the German verb for play and the conjugation for see it is spielt. So she spielt good tennis means she plays tennis very good. Here 9 Uhr ist Family Wiesel zu Abend. At 7 p.m. ist Family Wiesel zu Abend means Family Wiesel eats their dinner. Abend means dinner. Nach dem Essen sagt Tina bis 21 Uhr 30 Uhr fun. It means that after she eats, Tina watches. Here sagt means watches. The time, at what time does she watches? Till 9:30. Fun means TV. Then geht sie schlafen. Then she goes to sleep. Schlafen means she goes to sleep. So from morning 7 to night till she sleeps, this is her daily routine. This is about Tina's Tagesablauf. Fragen und Antworten. Let's see different types of question and answers on this time. The first question, wie viele Uhr steht Tina auf? At what time does Tina get up? Here, wie viele Uhr means at what time. Steht Tina auf? Does Tina get up? 6 Uhr. It means at 6 a.m. Wie viele Uhr fahrt Tina zur Schule? So, wie viele Uhr means at what time? Fahrat Tina zur Schule means does Tina go to school? Halb acht, that is 30 minutes to 8. That is at 7:30 am she goes to school. Wie viele Uhr fängt der Unterricht an? So, wie viele Uhr means at what time? Fängt der Unterricht an means does her classes begin? Unterricht means classes. Fängt an is for starts, begins. 20 nach 8, it means at 8:20 am her classes starts. Wie viele Stunden bleibt Tina in der Schule? How many hours does Tina stay in the school? Here Stunden means hours, bleibt means stay. 6 Stunden, that is 6 hours. Was macht Tina 13 Uhr 20? That is, what does Tina do? Was macht Tina means what does Tina do? At 1:20 p.m. Tina is Mittagessen. Tina eats lunch. Here Mittagessen means lunch. Ist means eat. Was macht Tina am Nachmittag? Here Nachmittag means afternoon. Mittag means noon. Nachmittag means afternoon. So was macht Tina am Nachmittag means what does Tina do in the afternoon? Tina macht Hausaufgaben. Here Hausaufgaben means homework. So Tina does homework. Wie viele Uhr ist sie zu Abend? What time? Here wie viele Uhr means at what time ist sie zu Abend? Does she eat dinner? Abend means dinner. 20 Uhr, that is at 8 p.m. because we are talking in 24 hours format. So was macht sie nach dem Abendessen? That is, what does she do after eating dinner? Here Abendessen means eating dinner. After that, nach means after. So what does she do after dinner? She had fun. It means that she watches TV. Fun means TV. Sehat means watch. So she had fun means she watches TV. Or you can also say she geht ins Bett. That is, she goes to bed. Geht is for go. So she geht means she goes. Ins Bett means to bed. These are the different types of questions on the time. Next topic, Wochentage. Wochentage means weekdays. Let's see how the weekdays are called in German. For Monday it is Montag. For Tuesday it is Dienstag. Wednesday as Mittwoch. Thursday it is Donnerstag. Friday it is Freitag. Saturday it is Samstag. Sunday it is Sonntag. So these are the weekdays that are to be called in German. Fragen und Antworten. Let's see few question and answers on these weekdays. The first question, was macht Tina am Sonntag? What does Tina do on Sunday? Here the preposition to be used for the weekdays is am in German. Like in English we say on Monday, on Tuesday, on Saturday, on Sunday. For that on in German we have to use the preposition am. Okay, so was here macht is the verb for do. So was macht Tina am Sonntag means what does Tina do on Sunday? Am Sonntag fahrt sie nach München. On Sunday she travels to München. Here fahrt means travel, drive. So she drives to München. Here München is the city. For cities and towns we have to use the preposition nach. And about this you will learn more in detail in module 4 lection 3 wohin fahrst du in Urlaub. The second question, geht Tina am Samstag Nachmittag zu Brigitte? Does Tina go to Brigitte on Saturday afternoon? Here am Samstag Nachmittag means on Saturday afternoon. Geht is the verb to go. Okay, so does Tina go to Brigitte on Saturday afternoon? Nein, am Samstag Nachmittag geht sie ins Schwimmbad. No, on Saturday afternoon she goes to the swimming pool. Last question, wohin geht Tina am Mittwoch Vormittag? Where does Tina go on Wednesday morning? Here Vormittag means morning. So am Mittwoch Vormittag geht Tina in die Schule. On Wednesday morning Tina goes to the school. This is the first part of this lection. For the email I made another video and please watch that video also. It is available in our Super German Academy YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, like, share and comment our video. If you want to watch more such videos, subscribe to our channel Super German Academy and hit the bell icon to get further notifications of other videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.